What's good, people? Welcome back to another portfolio update. This is episode number 4. I hope we're all doing well. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. So, just before we get started, I wanted to say a huge thanks to everyone that's subscribed, that's been commenting and liking. The channel has grown massively since the last update. I think, I've got 80 views on one of my videos, which I wasn't expecting to see this early having only started the channel up like a month ago. So yeah, that's been really good. So if we get straight into the portfolio, as you guys can see, I've made some massive changes. The first one being I've had to sell all my stocks and shares in my other portfolio. And what I've done is I've sold pretty much everything apart from these two, which are still at a loss and I haven't been able to sell them as of yet. But as soon as they turn into a profit, I will do. And yeah, I moved everything into the new ISA. Just wanted to show you guys that I've still got just under £850 available to invest. I haven't put everything into the market just yet because I'm still waiting to see what happens, especially on Monday. I'm hoping for another drop. As you guys will have seen, these past 4 days, US stock markets have seen the biggest rally in 50 years. We're up almost 20% from the lows that we hit on March 23rd, which is absolutely insane considering we're still in this pandemic. The coronavirus ain't stopping. It's not slowing down. Lives are still being lost, and yet here we are with the stock markets rallying, you know, beyond belief. Like it's quite annoying actually. It's really frustrating because I was waiting so long for the new ISA year, on the hopes of being able to grab some bargains and invest in some, solid companies at a discount. On Monday, I opened the app and everything is just in the green. I'm like, brilliant, thanks. But, what can you do? You can't control the markets. But, yeah, so if you head straight into the portfolio, I've now got 4 shares of AMD. In the past week, AMD has grown massively, more than 13.7%. I've got 4 shares and my average price is $44 and I'm up by £10 or 6.95%, which is brilliant. I decided to increase my holding to 4 shares from 3 and yeah, I'm glad I did so. As you guys will see, my newest addition to the portfolio is Airbus. And again, Airbus have done brilliant this week, up 18%. And I am up by 4.05% or £3.08. I've just got the 1.5 shares, but I will be looking to increase this. I think Airbus is a solid company and they've been battered, especially by this whole coronavirus situation, just because of the industry that they're in. And just like Boeing, they've absolutely tanked. We've got just 0.1 share of Google. I'm up by 0.51% or 49p. I will be looking to increase this back to 0.5 shares, which I had in my previous portfolio. Then if we head on to Apple, now Apple has also done very well in the past week, up 10.99%. And I am up by 0.44% or 47p. I kind of wish I bought 1 share, but you know what? I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful that markets will go down on Monday, or even if they don't go down on Monday, they'll go down in the near future again, and we might be able to retest those lows that we hit on March 23rd. Next, we have AT&T. Again, another company that has done amazingly this past week, up 11.85%. I'm up by 3.68% or £4.37, and I've just got the 5 shares, same as the previous portfolio, so nothing has changed there. Now, Barrett is probably one of the biggest movers this week in terms of how well they've done. If you just look at that, 34.65%, that's absolutely insane. I kind of wish I bought more on the Monday because I was able to sell Barrett at a profit. And I thought that they might drop lower. As you can see, my average price is 469p, and I am up by 9.87% or £2.32. Again, kind of regret not buying more because I kind of hope that they'd go lower. But yeah, that's that. Next, we have Facebook. I only got the quarter of a share. Again, Facebook up massively this week, and I am up by 3.21% or £1.09. I got it at quite a nice price, $168 per share. As you can see, up after that, it just continued on the up and up. Next, we've got the 2 ETFs that I bought into. So we've got the iShares S&P 500 ETF. I've just got the 5 units and I'm up by £2.94 or 2.71%. Again, a solid ETF. And yeah, the reason I changed to this from Vanguard was because it's a little bit cheaper, which means that when I get my dividends from this, I can buy more units, if that makes sense. Next, we have the FTSE 250. Again, has done brilliant this week, up 212p or 15.91%. I am up by 3.31% or £2.48. And yeah, as you guys will see from the portfolio, every single stock has done amazingly. Yeah, so next we have Johnson & Johnson. I'm up by 78p or 1.4%, and I've just got done half a share. I will be looking to increase this, but you know, if the price is right, I'll definitely increase this. Next we have Legal & General. Now this is the other big change that I've made to the portfolio in terms of my holding. In the previous portfolio I had 50 shares, and now I have 115, and my average price is also very good at just under £2, and I am up by £16 or 6.8 or 6.98%. So this is currently my best performing stock in the portfolio in terms of gains. Yeah, I'm quite surprised, and I also believe that Legal & General still haven't cut their dividend yet, and I kind of hope that continues and they don't cut their dividend, but who knows. And but I do think that they might cut their dividend just to, you know, be able to hold cash in these very uncertain times that we're in. Next we have Microsoft. Again, Microsoft, another stock that has done very well this week. I'm up by £1.89 or 1.45%, and I've just got the 1 share. Yeah, nothing new there, same as the previous portfolio. Next we have Nike. Again, Nike has also done very well this week, up 10.14%. Wow. I am up by £1.41 or 2.07%. And I've just got the 1 share. Again, Nike is another company that I believe in, and it will be in my portfolio for quite a while, and I will be increasing this. Another new addition to the portfolio is Realty Income. I'm sure everyone knows this stock by now. It's one of the only few really solid companies that pay a monthly dividend, and I've just got the 1.5 shares. I'm up by £6.23 or 10.06%, which is very good. I kind of, again, another one I regret not buying more of when it was at the $50, because as you can see, after I kind of bought it, it just went on the up and up and reached a high of $59. But yeah, you live and you learn. And finally, the final new addition to the portfolio is Royal Dutch Shell. I believe that Shell is a solid company. I know that they are moving towards renewables and electric and all of that, and I definitely think that they'll be with us and they're not going anywhere anytime soon. But obviously, you know, they have been battered by the whole oil war and everything. But yeah, but they've done very well this week, and I am up by £1.47 or 2.17%, and I've just got the 5 shares. But again, another one that I will be looking to increase in the future. Next we have Starbucks. Starbucks have also done very well this week, up 17.34%. They're up massively. I've just got the 0.5 shares, and I'm up by £2.81 or 10.47%. And finally, we have Disney, another one that is up massively today, up 11.49% in the past week, and I am up by £1.80 or 1.45%. So yeah, that is it for the portfolio update. As you guys can see, some massive changes to the portfolio, and still holding cash just to be able to invest when the time is right. And just before we end the video, I wanted to say what my personal opinion is on this whole rally, and just with everything that I've been reading on CNBC, Market Watch, etc., and all the news articles, and almost every single analyst is saying that, you know, this rally is not going to continue, and, you know, according to them, we're going to be retesting the lows that we hit on March 23rd. And you know what? I'm hoping that happens. I'm very hopeful that it will happen, because I don't think this crisis is going anywhere anytime soon. I'll leave some links below on some of the articles I've watched, just for you guys to have a read. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like, comment, subscribe. Again, a huge thanks to everyone that have subscribed. Thank you. I appreciate that. And yeah, I hope you all have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.